Today we're taking a look at the Honeywell 6460S Premium Alpha Keypad, designed to make DIY home security simple and efficient. This keypad is sleek and functional, coming in a stylish silver and black color scheme that blends well with modern home aesthetics. Setup is incredibly quick. You can have it installed and operational in under 30 minutes. One of the standout features of the 6460S is its wireless connectivity, which eliminates the hassle of running wires throughout your home. It operates on corded electric power, ensuring reliable performance without worrying about battery life. The keypad itself is compact, measuring just 2.5 by 2.5 by 3.5 inches, making it easy to mount discreetly in your home. Navigating the keypad is intuitive, thanks to its premium alpha display that allows you to easily program and control your home security system. Whether you're setting up different security zones or customizing alerts, the interface is straightforward and user-friendly. In terms of build quality, the Honeywell 6460S feels sturdy and durable, reflecting the reliability expected from the Honeywell brand. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with other Honeywell security products, offering a comprehensive solution for safeguarding your home. Overall, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to enhance your home security with a reliable and easy-to-install keypad, the Honeywell 6460S Premium Alpha Keypad is an excellent choice. Its wireless technology, compact design, and user-friendly interface make it a standout option in the market today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.